Imagine opening your laptop, typing a few words, and suddenly having clients pay you hundreds, sometimes thousands, without needing a huge team, fancy software, or a degree. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. People are turning ChatGPT into full-fledged freelance businesses in 2026. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to paying clients using nothing but AI and your laptop.
Stick with me, because by the end, you'll see how to build a real freelance business step by step. And I'll even share some insider tips that most freelancers don't talk about. The reality is, businesses are desperate for content, copywriting, marketing ideas, and automation, but most don't want to hire full-time employees. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With this AI, you can become a one-person agency offering high-value services without the overhead of a traditional business. Imagine writing an entire marketing email sequence in minutes instead of hours, or creating social media posts that are actually engaging without staring at a blank screen for hours.
That's the power you're holding, and the potential is huge. Not every service is created equal. If you try to do everything for everyone, you'll get nowhere. Instead, pick a niche where AI shines. Think e-commerce product descriptions, social media content, blog posts, or ad copy. One freelancer focused only on Shopify stores and started making $500 per client per month within just a few weeks. Another focused on small local businesses, creating Google ad campaigns and social posts, and landed 3 clients in the first month, each paying $400. The key? Specialize, because niche expertise commands premium rates, and clients are willing to pay more when you're a specialist instead of a generalist. No client? No problem. You don't need a resume, you need results. Use ChatGPT to generate sample work in your chosen niche. For instance, you could create a full Instagram content calendar for a fitness brand, or a blog post series for a tech startup. You can even generate a mock sales email campaign for a hypothetical client to show your capabilities. Then showcase these in a simple portfolio website or even a PDF you send via email. When potential clients see tangible examples, it's much easier to convince them to pay. You're not just selling yourself, you're selling a proven result, even if it's a simulated example. Cold outreach doesn't have to be painful. Draft personalized emails using ChatGPT. Input the client's industry, their current content, and your value proposition, and let AI create a friendly, compelling email. Always add one personal touch. Mention a recent post they published, a product launch, or something unique about their brand. This small addition makes your email stand out from 90% of generic pitches that get ignored. One freelancer told me he sent 10 personalized emails in a day and got 3 positive replies, 3 paying clients almost instantly. It works because people respond to relevance and effort. Clients love clarity. Don't just say, "I can write for you." Package your services. For example, I'll create 10 high-converting Instagram posts per week plus 2 AI-powered marketing emails. Suddenly, you're not a freelancer, you're a solution provider. Packages let you upsell easily. Start small with $100 to $200 packages, then scale to $500 to $1,000 as your results speak for themselves. The more structured and clear your offer, the easier it is for clients to say yes without overthinking. You're removing doubt and creating a no-brainer. Here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT isn't just for content creation. It can automate follow-ups, research, and even draft proposals. Combine it with tools like Zapier, Make, or even Notion for organization, and you can send personalized emails, generate social media posts, or create client reports automatically. Clients don't care it's AI, they care about results. The faster and more reliably you deliver, the more you can charge. You're essentially turning your laptop into a mini production agency. Once you land your first few clients, don't keep it a secret. Ask for testimonials. Share screenshots of results or show engagement stats. Social proof is a multiplier. One freelancer shared before and after Instagram metrics for a client and tripled their rates in just 1 month. People pay more when they see proof that your service works. Even 1 or 2 strong case studies can dramatically change the perception of your brand. The real game changer is recurring clients. If you do a one-off project, treat it as a stepping stone to a retainer. Offer ongoing services like weekly blog posts, email campaigns, or ad copy updates. Once you secure a $500 a month retainer with 3 clients, you're already earning $1,500 per month without adding extra work. Multiply that by 5 or 10 clients, and suddenly you've built a real business with consistent, predictable income. This is where freelancing shifts from side hustle to serious income machine. A common mistake is undervaluing your work. AI makes you more productive, but it doesn't make your insights worthless. If your package solves a real problem, like increasing sales or engagement, charge accordingly. Start with reasonable rates, then increase as you get results. Most clients expect freelancers to charge $50 to $100 per hour. Packages make pricing easier and predictable, and they also allow clients to budget knowing exactly what they're getting. Confidence in your pricing is half the battle. Once you've mastered one niche and have a steady stream of clients, consider scaling. You don't need employees, you need more AI workflows and smarter systems. Outsource repetitive tasks like formatting, image creation, or analytics reporting to freelancers or AI tools. You can effectively run a mini agency solo, maximizing profits without burnout. One freelancer I know handles 15 clients alone by setting up efficient AI prompts, automating follow-ups, and using scheduling tools to streamline delivery. The result? High income with minimal stress.
Here's the bottom line. ChatGPT isn't just a tool. It's a business partner if you know how to leverage it. Pick your niche, create a portfolio, pitch with confidence, package services, automate wisely, and turn one-off gigs into recurring revenue. Follow these steps and you can turn AI into a real freelance business faster than you ever imagined. And the best part?
You don't need a huge budget, fancy software, or years of experience. Just a willingness to learn, experiment, and deliver real results. If you found value in this, you'll love the next video where I reveal the top 5 AI niches that clients are begging to pay for in 2026. Hit like, subscribe, and start your AI freelance journey today. You're one ChatGPT prompt away from your first paying client. Remember, every expert freelancer started exactly where you are right now, and the difference is they took action. Start now, and your first paying client could be just a few prompts away.